Hey.
Ready?
We're going to die.
We're going to die today. I'm gonna be double recording. They're still up here. You go down. No, you go down. No, you go down. I'm not going down.
No, the two guys came up, I think. The ones on the left.
Oh, they went up it?
Yeah. I'm not down for that.
Yeah, because I mean, look at that. Look at their fucking suspension and everything. What's up, fellas?
Name it. Name it, and then it's called.
First slider injury was here.
Oh, it's right out. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. Sorry to put your seatbelt on. I think he was saying stop. Or maybe not.
It doesn't work.
Oh yeah, we're at too much of an angle now.
For a seatbelt?
Yeah.
That's why I was like, what the
It
hell?
won't come out. So this one's a small drop, I think. Oh no, this is a big drop.
No, it's the big drop is up ahead. Oh fuck, this is good right here. He can literally touch that fucking wall of mud. You alright?
I'm holding up. This damn seatbelt.
Fucking serious? Armstrong's all over the place. Alright, you ready? You can fall forward this time.
Now I'm holding on with one hand or recording the other.
Good job.
This motherfucker's crazy, dude.
Because you get scared because the front's gonna hit. That's what it feels like. Oh, this time it landed.
You good?
What fucking drop?